We are exploring the opportunity for signing a memorandum of understanding with the NSI and to see how we can add benefit to the members through the standards that they endorse. Today's audit focuses specifically on products, so that would relate to the manufacturing industry. However, we are looking at the other marks of conformity as well. We are doing a pilot audit with the Namibia Dairy's products to see what process is involved in this. What we don't want to do is to become an organization, with lab coats to endorse quality standards, because that is what the Namibia Standards Institution are doing. We are promoting Namibian products and services to consumers. On the long term, our strategy is to gain a competitive, sustainable advantage for Namibian products and services.
Initially, PwC was involved in the strategic plan for Team Namibia. I then came along with the membership guide, and there I helped to develop a set of criteria or guidebook for members. The purpose behind the revised criteria is to get clarity on who qualify as members and also to subcategorize members in order to address their needs more specifically. Initially, we sat down together with Lizette and looked at who are the current members, what their needs are. So we did a little bit of a desk study, just consultative meetings. Then we looked into industry benchmarks, what else is out there, like Proudly South African, look at how they approach the issue. And from there onwards, I made recommendations with the guide, and now it's still in the testing phase where we go back and forth, looking at the criteria, how do members respond to these criteria, and also how can we improve on the other systems that are in there and localize it as well. The impact will hopefully be that new members are inspired to join the team because there is now a rational and emotional benefit in being part of the team. So members will have a benefit because they are better categorized and their needs can be addressed more efficiently. And from the consumer perspective, Team Namibia will have a strong brand name.
The NSI is a national standard body. Basically, the main purpose of NSI is to provide standardization and quality assurance for the nation. We have two certification activities going on currently at the Namibian dairies. And one is for a product, where the Namibian dairy product will be actually assessed for the premium mark of conformity, while the quality management system of the Namibian dairy will be actually audited for the requirements of ISO 9001, which is actually a standard that we use to assess them to allocate them that. The auditing itself usually consists of two stages. Stage one is usually a desktop study, where we just require the documents from the client. The stage two audit is actually where we go and do the audit on site. After we have done a stage two audit, basically it's like we have to present the client with some information. The duration between the stage one audit and the stage two audit, usually maximum it takes about 3 months. That's what we do. And also depending on the outcome of the stage two audit, basically the applicant can either be granted the certificate or not be granted on the certificate. So if you have the NSI will be able to fast track that process in a short period because they are available and they are national.
The whole idea of auditing is to see where do you need improvement in your system. Namibia Dairy as a company, we have made commitment to deliver a product with good quality to our customers, and then having a quality assurance management system in place guide us to deliver on those promises. The NSI, they first do the stage one audit. On the stage one audit, we first send them our documentation. They read through the documentations, they then come visit the site. After that, when they come then do the stage two audit, that's when they do the actual factory visit. Namibia Dairies has been ISO 9000 certified since February 2006. So any audit you have, you don't really put in much because you already have it in place. I feel that Team Namibia members should really implement a quality management system in a way that it drives continuous improvement for the business, and it also drives customer satisfaction. The whole process went smooth, and I think we didn't really get such a serious challenge.